Rest. Oh, this man never can be a yard, you know. Never can be a yard. Rest. Man, yeah.
Ease up on the door.
I just say this. Relax yourself, man. Don't trouble come for you. What I deal with you? I'm going to check two girls up the road. What you say? Up to it?
What you say? Where they in there?
Can't believe you saying no know what I want. I two girls be passing in the area. Right up there, so. You don't know, say, me, you know. Me come here, if me did that phone with a call, as a matter of fact. That's why I come bang on the door. Yo, me say the girl up there, I don't want to go up there alone. Because you know, saying one man go whisper two girls a problem. Nothing now go run. So you're forward or you're not forward. Just make me know if I know. So me know if me want to go up there by myself.
What you mean if me a forward? You don't know if a girl business. Me have to involve. So come on, go look for your girls right now. When a girl knows so I'm ready. Like Freddy.
No, you're talking. Let's move it, boy.
So I said, hot girl around there.
You could have asked that. Some nice skin girl.
Yo, me always hear you talk about girl now. I always want to lag girl. Me hear you talk about in a papa.
I like a girl might better one than give you a bun.
No, brother, I want to lag girl daddy. Hot girl more. You talk about Brazilian hair, long nails, pedicure.
Like,
oh, you mean daddy?
I like a girl with a bushy hair.
Boy.
Call it no.
Sorry for you. Sorry for you.
Thoroughly. Thoroughly. Wow, I kill her.
Okay, how you hot girl in over there? Where you in there?
What's that for, man?
Nothing on the veranda.
She inside, man. Thoroughly.
Call up one them then, man.
That's what I'm my phone now. That's the man. She'll come up, man. She must hear me.
Call.
I'm not call woman pan banger. Let's relax, man.
I could have that I call me, I know.
Oh, she coming.
Oh, are you? We can't deal with it right now. You have to come back later. Alright.
But I love you still, yeah?
Alright. I'm kind of busy now, so you have to come back later.
So, Papa, I can't really come around my youth. Woman style me.
Relax, so you just relax, man. I just one girl, lad.
All you not really mean style, though. You in style. You know what I do? A girl on me yard.
One girl pipe bar, what you do? What you go and go do? We choke a chicken.
No, man, I'm Alex, I make love down there.
Relax, man. I'm coming and go to the road, man.
So come on, then now. Yo, Papa, I'm in my yard, I'm going to my youth. That me tell you.
Listen, man. Listen, man. I'm so calm down with man. Listen, man, you tell you. Let's see how we walk up all day. Every one of them check them busy, them this, them that. I say go. And every day I go bingo. If you're humble can't suck your most milk. So we check 20 of them today. 9 catch. I say go. We don't get none. Them busy. It's just like a busy normal day.
Papa, remember I tell me I some hot girl him daddy. Me I go up with bad man nigga that disrespect me my youth. Me never know say that can't go up with some me get disrespect. Bad man. Never know my youth. How can I waste mission that can't go up on me? Say hot girl him definitely know two girls up the lane.
This is the part where you know. You know, listen to the word when I say. I say them a hot girl. Me never say them cute. You never go up on the ends and say, yo, some hot box them there. That's how you work. Me never say a cute girl. Come on, bro. Me just say, yo, a hot girl.
Yo, you know say you do. Me not get one girl them. I see something so one girl them come out in a youth. And see you back until her. Hope and fly back until I see you. You know no style in a youth. Me not go back no with you again. That me I tell you. And no style, I think should be done. My youth, I'm waste all my day. You could have chop all the line, daddy. I tell me, boy, I can go look for girl and say, my youth. This next time, no come on me all. I come book me door, come talk about Reds. That matter, don't come back for me next time, daddy. That me I tell you, because I'm not depend on them the low movements again.
Listen, me understand what you're trying to tell me now. Me stop you from choppy line. I don't care if you want chop line or you want this line. But me I tell you, you see, you tell me something, don't care about one end. You see, tomorrow morning, you want a nice fluffy girl down the road for the check. I said, since I just said, you now roll back with me, don't show up tomorrow. I said, you come down as a friend.
Hold on. What you say? A nice fluffy girl that come done. You know what, Papa? You have to make me get the girl there, you know. Because you know, say, a fluffy girl I like, you know. You don't want you playing with me, this mission. You know?
Look how life funny. The man just cussed me a while ago. So I tap him from chop it line. Me spoil up him whole year, but as I hear about the fluffy a come down. You want to see her. But no, yeah, no girl. Because I'm not too like fluffy girl. I like the little natural slim as them. But we not too have a problem with them. But you what me I say now. Relax yourself, man. Just go on home, fresh up, and then tomorrow morning you link me.
Alright then. Tomorrow then you go link your fluffy.
Well, I'm not telling you like it's a must, but you know. Right, you know, you see the girl team business, you know. You have to keep it down on a level, you know, because you see what I go on right, you know. Because you remember the man I seen chop in the closet? Right now, him chopping a one right, you know.
Jesus.
And one out here, same thing happen to him, too, you know. You know what? Let me make sure I tell you this. This thing will change my mind. Everything cancel. You see, if you want to check it fluffy and chop in the closet, you go on, but me I go on my yard, I go chop in the closet.